Good day and welcome to my channel. I will be doing the second phase of the KYC of Avive. As it is already known, Avive coins is already listed on the OKS exchange and some other exchanges. Now, before I continue, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe. And so that each time I come up, your way like this with a new video, you'll be notified, and also hit the notification button, gives it a thumbs up so that more people will come across the video. Now, the second phase of the Avive KYC is straightforward. Now, all you need to do after you have downloaded the OKS exchange wallet, you will need to input the address. You need to input the address of Avive. So all you need to do, you go to the exchange. This is OKS exchange. You click on deposit. When you click on deposit, you come to the search bar. Then you type Avive in the search bar. You click on Avive. Then it's going to bring out Avive Arbitrum 1. So you click on it, on Arbitrum 1 and Avive. Then you can see the deposit address. So you click on the deposit address. Then after clicking on deposit address, you return back to the Avive interface. There's an interface there that we provided. Just like you can see here, this is mine. I've already inputted my wallet address. In fact, I've collected my token. So you input it there, then you click on confirm. Then you share it on Twitter. You share it on Twitter. You take it to Twitter, you share it there. That's just the end of the second phase. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much. When I come your way again in my next one. Thanks.